Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how to make a bouncing bubbles. We need glass of water, 2 spoons of dish soap, 1 small teaspoon of sugar and 1 spoon of glycerine. So let's mix. Put 2 spoons of dish soap. Mix one more, another one, we need one more, 2, okay, 2. Then Olivia, you can put 1 teaspoon of sugar in here. Now mix this. 1 teaspoon of sugar, you will mix this. We have only brown sugar, but it doesn't matter. Just little bit less, okay? A little bit more.
Aha!
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, David, you mix it. And then 1 big spoon of glycerine. Right, we don't need this anymore. So I'll open this, not with your teeth. Definitely not with your teeth. And then 1 spoon of glycerine. We will be mixing everything together, okay? We will be mixing. Stop, enough. Put it in here. Wait. You mix this. And let's see if this bubbles really works. This experiment really works. The bubbles are jumping. Yes! Oh.